Think vegetarian means boring? Think again. High-protein vegetarian recipes that even meat lovers will crave. These recipes aren't just healthy, they're flavorful, hearty, and designed to keep you full and satisfied. Our first recipe is the lentil and chickpea power bowl. This is the kind of meal that makes you forget all about meat. To assemble, start with a bed of spinach. Add your lentils and crispy roasted chickpeas for crunch.
Up next, let's tackle a comfort food classic, the veggie burger. But this isn't your average mushy, bland burger.
Mash your black beans, mix in the cooked quinoa, oats, and seasonings, then form into patties.
Our third recipe is inspired by Indian flavors, a creamy red lentil curry.
Sauté your onion, garlic, and ginger. Add curry powder, then toss in your red lentils and coconut milk.
Fourth on our list is a game changer, crispy tofu stir fry. Tofu often gets a bad rap, but when cooked right, it's crunchy. Press your tofu to remove excess water, cut into cubes, and pan fry until golden and crispy.
Let's not forget about breakfast or dessert. This protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait is creamy, crunchy, and sweet, but also loaded with protein.
Layer Greek yogurt with granola, almonds, and berries. It looks fancy, but takes just 5 minutes.
So there you have it, 6 high-protein vegetarian recipes.
If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick vegan meals.